Okay, let's take a look at using the switch statement, but instead of switching on integers, we're going to switch on strings. And I've got a little program here which I've imported the scanner so I can get user input. I'm basically going to play a little text adventure game, and I'm going to tell the user that they've fallen in a large dark pit, which way do they want to go, and they have the choice east, west, north, or south. And I'm going to go ahead and create a string variable called direction, and I'm going to set it equal to whatever the user puts in. So I'm going to call my scanner's next line method. So now I have a variable called direction that has hopefully east, west, north, or south in it. And then I can go ahead and switch on that. So I'm going to switch on the direction. I've got my opening and closing curly brackets, which are going to hold my switch statement. And I'll put a little note here at the end and switch. Okay, so we've got a number of different cases. We've got case, and instead of having case 1, we have case east. And then we have case west. We have case north. And we have case south. Now it's possible that they will print something else in here. And so I can also just type in default, and that will handle any other possibilities. So I'll go ahead and do that. Now in each of these cases, we're going to examine it. If it equals east, then we're going to execute the code below that, and then we're going to break. And so at the end of these, I can put the word break. Otherwise, it'll try to go down and evaluate all of them. And I'll go ahead and do that with my default case as well. Okay, so now I just have to put my code for what happens if they type in east. And basically it's going to do a system out print line. And I won't get very elaborate here, but if they go east, they meet, I should say, you meet the Wicked Witch. If they go west, we'll say they find gold. You find 100 gold pieces. If they go north, you fall down a hole and die. Bummer. If they go south, they find a key, and otherwise we'll say you go, if it's default, they type in something else. We'll say a big monster finds you and eats you. Go ahead and compile that, and I'll run it. Okay, so which way do you want to go? I'm going to type in east, and you meet the Wicked Witch of the East. Yay.